So are you planning to learn Python in 2019? If yes, then please continue watching this video. Okay, so hey there everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video, or I must say in this series of videos, we are going to talk about Python. In this series you are going to learn Python from end to end, and on the only prerequisite is your time. If you haven't done any programming before, that's fine, you will still be able to follow this series, and as I said, the only prerequisite is time and nothing else. So let's start by installing some of the dependencies. For this particular series we are going to be using Jupyter Notebook. For that we have to install Anaconda, because that comes with Jupyter Notebook as well as the Python interpreter. For installing Anaconda, follow the steps shown in the video. When the installation process is done, go to desktop and press Windows plus R. Then type in Jupyter Notebook and wait for Jupyter Notebook to open. That's it for this video. In the next video we are going to be writing our first Python code.